Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today now about the video son, the last moment of the video son, the last day of the video son, Ifeanyi, when he dey hospital before he give up, my people. The video, they finally released the video out, my people. So painful, like seriously. So painful, as I said the video just now. But the world is really wicked. The world is really wicked. Wetin this boy do now when una fit do the video and trauma this kind thing? Wetin he do now? I see the video, they cry like so painful, like seriously. The world is wicked. Wetin this boy do now? Wetin he do? Wetin he do now? What now cause this pain to this family? Wetin he do now, my people? As I see this video just now, I don't get myself like God, so painful. I just pray for God to give them the mind to bear the loss. It's not easy at all. It's not easy, my people. It's not easy. You see your son, they give up. You know, if you help him, you know, if you do anything. The last moment, Mona can't hear what he tell him, mama. When he shout, mommy, he no help. God. What did this boy do now? What did papa do now? What did mama do now? What did them do? When I say no, say they must be me picking. What did them do? What did they do? What did they do? What did trauma do? Now because they settle back, una be not believe say they go settle. Now because of the settlement, now I make una do this thing. I don't cry, I don't tire. If cry, the break became back. They cry where all of us don't cry. If I bring this boy come back to life. The world is wicked. What is this small boy? Where you get bright future, way full of life like this. When I say no, say una want make sure say this boy make it just go just like that. I just pray, may God give Choma the mind to bear the loss. After they talk to her, so Choma at the hospital. Because the shock see there in her. The shock. Even Davido almost run mad. What is this little boy do now? Small boy. We get bright future. Small boy we they innocent. We never even know anything. As girl and the rest people where they house. 9 people. When I say I don't know when this boy goes to people. Una want tell that kind of thing. Who una want tell that kind of thing we go believe una? Who want believe una, my people? So painful, like seriously. So painful. I pray for God to give them the mind to fit bear the loss. Una fit say if una do this one, the video will come leave Choma will come leave the video. And because of that one, I make una do this thing. But my God will judge you people for this thing we wanna do, for this shock, for this pain we wanna cause this family. The God will judge you people, really. He go judge you now. He go judge you now. Una must use una mouth confess what una do before una go get peace for una life. Because peace go disappear from una. Una no go ever get peace. Inner peace una no go get am. As the pain go be una portion. Evil go be una children portion. For this thing wanna do to this boy. What did he find do now? Innocent boy. What did he do? Wanna just carry, just remember this boy. Just like that. Just like that. And una can't get peace for una life. Una no go get peace. Una no go get joy. Joy go disappear. Also, una confess. What he make una do this thing to Davido. Whether I don't ever remember una own picking. Una go talk with him make una do this thing to Davido. Really. So painful, like seriously. So painful, my people. Ma put the video make una see. I'm gonna make sure this video. Let the video go viral. Bye.
God will meet you and Shoma at the point of your need. God will comfort you now. God will come, make sure say everything dey okay. I don't know how to express my own condolence, but I pray God give you that comfort. But those people where they go online, they talk say Jollof not like the video. Jollof, why you never post the video? Jollof, why you never post the video? Pikin will die. The Adeleke family never come aside to issue statements say their pikin die. I believe say courtesy demands say una go respect the family privacy. Una don't know the use of social media, una just go on there, they post person pikin. I'm a father. God forbid say I lose my pikin tomorrow now. I go on there see una say na the show of love now, na they post my pikin on there. Una feel say I go happy. That is me. But when the incident occurred, I called people close to the family. I called so his number was not reachable. I could not call Israel because Israel just got married. I could not place such tragic call. I called Ubi Franklin. He was on his way from London to Lagos, and I expressed my sincere condolence. So what is you people's problem? Until I post the video pikin picture for say the pikin don't go. I post the pikin picture when he do birthday. Patrolaki says celebrate me when I dey alive. Do you think I was happy when I heard the tragic news? Pikin just do birthday. I'm not celebrating, and then when God do all those kind, when I be sure of love. They really need to put restriction for this social media, because a lot of you've lost it. You've lost your manners, you've lost ethics, you've lost your morals. You don't know when to do things right. Oh, because they can say, I love that smoking bell, it does smoking bell, it does smoking bell. I don't know how to do things right. If we do some things on social media, make we get limits. Respect the family. Some of them now are not turn analysts for inside small picky way that it is wrong. Some of them now not blame anybody. It is wrong. Some of them now not give people name when they not get. It is wrong. Allow the people to mourn in peace. Respect their privacy. And that was the mission I carried out. So when you people went on air and start giving me names I do not deserve, it is very wrong. May the good Lord comfort you, Davido and Shoma. May the good Lord comfort the Adeleke family. May the good Lord comfort the 30 BG gang. I love you. God love you. We all love you. Thank you and God bless you.
Sets for grades, and he said, no, she's just jealous. Kemi, you're jealous. She's a better journalist. Well, 3 years later, you see how they were fighting over it? Okay, and all of them. I tell you these things, you don't pay attention. But it's on my YouTube channel, Throwing Children Away. So there was this woman in London. She's a makeup artist, and she said she had an affair with Davido or whatnot. She got pregnant, and Davido abandoned her. That's not new. Davido has already abandoned Imade and Sophia. And Dele Momadou pushed the whole, let's get a DNA test. You fathered Imade. And today Imade is like the main kid. All right, so are we doing this again now? So this makeup artist, Larissa, she had a very famous celebrity friend. A very big one in Nigeria, music artist. And that music artist came to me and said, hey, Kemi, I want you to put this out because, you know, everybody uses my blog to get this stuff out. Did she pay me? No, she didn't pay me. This is stuff that Instablog will charge you lots of money for. But I put the story out there. It's a credible story. Okay, that there's a baby.